blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, brown color, and green color. Kids, so now we draw alphabets and use blue color. And first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, so now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N. The alphabets of N. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use red color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Silver color, red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, dark pink color, orange color, brown color, light pink color, purple color, dark blue color, light purple color, and dark green color. So now you draw A and use dark pink color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. So now you draw D and use yellow color. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. So now you draw H and use purple color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. So now you draw K and use sky blue color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. It's now you draw O and U is black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and U is red color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and U is brown color. V for van. W for whale. It's now you draw X and U is purple color. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zap. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, brown color, and green color. It's now you draw one and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now you draw 6 and use yellow color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's now you draw 11 and use red color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's now you draw 16 and use black color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.